chop, chop. Lots to do, lots to do.
Now, I know you're excited about the new show, but promise me you haven't gone overboard.
Ha ha ha! Of course not. Just a few essentials. Come on, let's crack on. Comedy props. Can girls. Professional trumpet player. Hilarious performing monkeys.
Monkeys?
Monkeys.
Monkeys?
Artistic gymnasts. One magician and glamorous assistant. Fiery flamenco dancers. One giant button and two families. And I think that's it.
Whoa!
We're ready. Follow me.
A jam-packed new game show, Ant and Dec's Push the Button, coming soon on ITV1.